Spencer Moss. This is our dessert menu.
Okay, so we're at Qsine. Still Rubik's Cube, but it's a menu.
So show them another color.
Alright, tell me now which dessert would you try?
Everything.
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 Perfect.
Maybe
Yes.
extra red velvet.
Red velvet, yeah. Okay. So
I want the beignet.
everything will be right on the table.
Perfect.
And then you're
So Spencer, check this out. This is like the cupcake side. This is the cookie side.
Open it up.
I'm not sure. I can't really see what that side is, but look, if you open them up, it's the menu. That was the blue side. Spazzing out. Qsine is the restaurant where we're at here on the high seas on the Celebrity Millenium. Oh, here's the purple side.
That's all you have to do.
Green and blue. Trip out on that. And that was just the dessert menu. You should have seen the rest of it.